Is Surveys2Cash a legit way to earn online by sharing your opinion, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this Surveys2Cash review I will give you an inside look so you can see exactly what you get, because there are a lot of things that you are not told before you join, and you definitely need to be aware of these. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites. So when you first come to Surveys2Cash, it looks like any other paid service site. It says that you can get paid to share your opinions, but once you start signing up, things start becoming a little bit different than most service sites. So let me take you through the sign-up process so you can see what's happening already here. The sign-up form for Surveys2Cash look more or less like most other service sites. You just need to be aware that you do have to give your phone number. And before doing that, you need to look what it says in small letters below this sign-up form. When you get down here, you can see in small writing that it says if you check this box, you will actually agree to be contacted by their marketing partners, either by calls or SMS text messages. And if you then click the list of marketing partners, you can scroll down and see here how many there are. I have not counted these, but there are more than 100. And that is partners that if you click this box, you will actually agree that they can contact you by calling you or sending you text messages. So this is definitely something to be aware of, and something I would strongly encourage you not to do. But the great thing is that you can actually sign up without clicking this box. So I would definitely encourage you not to do that unless you really want to be contacted by these hundreds of marketing partners. So that's a thing you need to be aware of before signing up. And then let me take you through what then happens after you actually sign up. I have now filled out the sign up form and click to continue, and now you then get to a screen where there's a lot of promotional offers. Surveys2Cash get paid to promote these offers, and you have to go through these to actually sign up. And as you can see, some of them have actually nothing to do with paid service, which is a little bit confusing. And you do have to answer yes or no to all of these, and in many cases you will actually give them consent to actually contacting you. So make sure to read this privacy policy before taking any of the offers. Also, you need to be aware that not all offers here are actually worth it, in my opinion anyways. For example, they are promoting a service site that's called Say So for Profit, and this is actually not a service site. That's just another site where you sign up and all you get is promotional offers for other sites, and you never actually get to a members area and you never get any paid service there. So here they're promoting things like that, and for me this indicates that they are not that critical with the offers they promote here. They promote a lot of different things here, and there's not a lot of information that helps you figure out if it's actually worth it for you, and in many cases it is not necessarily worth it. That's my experience and opinion anyways. So definitely make sure to carefully consider which offers you say yes or no to. But for now I will just say no, and then you can see what happens next. And after all those offers, I just get to another screen with another offer, and where I have to click and a new screen will open, and that is just another promotional offer. And there are several of them, as you can see. And these ones where they say it's a gift card, just be aware that it's not just that you get a gift card. It is some kind of contest where you sign up for the chance to get a gift card, and then you will give your personal information, and again you will agree to be contacted by a lot of marketing partners. That's how most of these contests works. So again, before taking any of these, read the conditions carefully and choose wisely before saying yes to anything. But you can also just say no thanks here and continue. I now finally got through the sign up process and all the promotional offers, and then I get to the finish screen, and you can see then congratulations, here is a list of the survey and offer opportunities, and then all you get again is just promotional offers that they get paid to promote. However, here you are actually getting a list of actually paid service sites and also of legit ones. For example, Ipsos is a legit service site and Windale is also, so you definitely can join these ones. However, you need to click the link and then you have to go to that site and sign up, and then those sites will pay you for taking service. You will not earn by taking any paid service here on Surveys2Cash. All it does is that you go through this sign up process and give your information, and then you get to a list of service sites that they actually get paid to promote, and then they get you to sign up and they get paid, and then you have to go there and sign up again and then take the actually service there. So there are no surveys here on Surveys2Cash, and there is no members area. This is what you get. And then you have also given your email, so now they are allowed to send additional promotional offers to you. And if you were not careful what you agreed to during the sign-up process, you have maybe agreed to be contacted by a lot of different marketing partners. But this is basically what you get on Surveys2Cash. Honestly, I'm really not impressed by Surveys2Cash and what you get here, especially not the way they promote. You have to be very aware when you sign up, and if you click everything and say yes to offers and click the box before actually even signing up, you risk being contacted by a lot of marketing partners. What I also do not like that a lot of the offers that they promote to you have nothing to do with paid service, even though it gives you the impression that it is all about paid surveys. So all you get by signing up to Surveys2Cash is basically a lot of promotional offers, and then you will end up on their email list so they can contact you with additional promotional offers. And maybe you also tick some different boxes during the sign-up process, so you will be contacted by a lot of other marketing partners. But this is basically what you get. So for these reasons, I do not really think that Surveys2Cash is worth it. If you want to see the promotional offers they have, it is free to sign up for. Just be careful what you say yes and no to, and read all the conditions carefully. If you want to earn by actually taking paid service, there are a lot of actually paid service sites where you just go there, you sign up, and you get access to the paid service right away. I have lists of the best sites where you can do this on my website, paidfromservice.com, and you can also find plenty of videos here on my YouTube channel about that. So make sure to check that out. I will leave a link below this video, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites.